I've been in practice for 15 years now. I want to do something that can enhance people's lives. I mean, I can't wait to get to work every day. To me, I think that whether it be a creative pursuit or service, I think that all those things have allowed me to be able to, at the highest level possible, deliver care. I look at it as something that can enhance people's life and improve their quality of life.
My daughter happened to tell me about dental implants because she had the experience and she knew how affected I was with what I had. And so she said, you need to go see Dr. Akin, and I had no clue what was going to happen. I really, truly felt like I got something, part of my body back that I lost for 45 years. It was that amazing to me.
From constantly being in pain, constantly having problems, it was always there. This process was like being reborn. The value, in my opinion, is in the quality of my life. I can't describe it well enough other than to say that it changed my life.
One of the important parts of this procedure, or I would say with any procedure that I perform, is that I always tell is that patients will leave with teeth the same day. So anytime that a patient comes in and we're planning these procedures, they are leaving with teeth that day.